Welcome back to Top 10 Den, where we uncover the most intriguing facts about the world's incredible creatures. In today's episode, we dive into the fascinating world of alligators, ancient reptiles with a remarkable history. From their jaw-dropping size to their unique behaviors, get ready to explore the secrets of these living fossils. 1. Ancient creatures. Alligators have a fascinating history that stretches back millions of years. Fossil evidence indicates that these reptiles have been around since the time of the dinosaurs, making them living relics of a bygone era. Their lineage and unchanged physical features give them the nickname living fossils, connecting us to the distant past. 2. Cold-blooded hunters. Alligators are ectothermic, meaning their body temperature is regulated by their surroundings. Unlike warm-blooded animals, they cannot generate their own heat and rely on external sources to warm up or cool down. This behavior makes them efficient hunters, as they can conserve energy by basking in the sun to raise their body temperature or submerging in water to cool off. 3. Impressive size. American alligators are among the largest reptiles in the world. They can grow to impressive lengths of up to 13 to 15 feet, 4 to 4.5 meters. Some exceptional individuals have even been recorded to exceed these measurements, showcasing the remarkable size and stature these creatures can reach. 4. Powerful jaws. Alligators possess an incredibly powerful bite due to their strong jaws and sharp teeth. Their bite force is one of the strongest in the animal kingdom, allowing them to exert tremendous pressure. With this formidable bite, alligators can easily crush the shells of turtles and other prey, enabling them to feast on a wide variety of animals. 5. Social creatures. Despite their often solitary nature, alligators are known to exhibit social behavior. During certain times, they gather in groups called congregations, particularly during the breeding season. These congregations can vary in size and are often observed basking together in the sun, creating a fascinating sight of multiple alligators in close proximity. 6. Impressive swimmers. Alligators are highly adept swimmers, gliding gracefully through the water with their streamlined bodies. They can reach impressive speeds of up to 20 miles per hour, 32 kilometers per hour, in short bursts, showcasing their agility and efficiency in the aquatic environment. Their muscular tails provide the primary means of propulsion, allowing them to maneuver swiftly through the water. 7. Territorial behavior. Alligators are territorial creatures and fiercely defend their territories from intruders. They employ various displays to establish dominance and discourage rivals, including hissing, bellowing, and body posturing. These behaviors serve as clear warnings to other alligators and help maintain the boundaries of their territory. 8. Unique vocalizations. Alligators are not only silent predators, but also vocal communicators. They produce a range of vocalizations, including grunts, hisses, and roars. One of the most distinctive sounds is the deep, resonating alligator bellow produced by males during the breeding season. This powerful vocalization serves to attract females and assert dominance over other males. 9. Nest builders. Female alligators display remarkable nesting behavior. They construct large nests made of vegetation, mud, and debris, creating a suitable environment to lay their eggs. These carefully crafted nests provide protection and insulation for the eggs during incubation. Once the eggs hatch, the females remain highly protective of their young, ensuring their safety and guiding them through the early stages of life. 10. Environmental engineers. Alligators play a vital role as ecosystem engineers in their habitats. Through their burrowing and nest-building activities, they create diverse habitats for other species. Their burrows serve as shelter for smaller animals during the dry seasons, while their nesting mounds provide elevated platforms that offer refuge and nesting sites for birds and reptiles. By shaping the landscape, alligators contribute to the overall health and balance of wetland ecosystems. And that wraps up our journey into the captivating realm of alligators. If you enjoyed learning about these incredible creatures, don't forget to hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments below, and subscribe for more awe-inspiring content on the wonders of the animal kingdom. Stay tuned for our next adventure, and until then, keep exploring.